Hello, happy homemakers. Today I am bringing you a making Dollar Tree ornaments video. I haven't really thought of a name for it yet, so I'm just starting off because. But I made a few ornaments and I wanted to show you guys. I put all of our names on them. I did put some of our girls' names on them, and if that's why they're backwards, because I can't show you their names. But for those of you that don't know, we're foster parents, and we have 3 foster daughters and 1 biological daughter, and I can't show my foster daughters on YouTube. So anyway, here we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, more cleaning videos, and all homemaking things that you guys could be interested in. If you have any videos you would like to see, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.